Best Bookshelf Speakers reviews help buyers compare sound quality, connectivity, design, and value for creating an immersive home audio experience. My today's video is about top 5 best bookshelf speakers review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Amazon Echo Vibrant Sounding Speaker. The Amazon Echo is a compact smart speaker that delivers impressive convenience and versatility for modern homes. It streams music, podcasts, and audiobooks seamlessly from popular services like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music, while Bluetooth support makes pairing with other devices effortless. Alexa responds quickly to voice commands, helping with weather updates, alarms, reminders, jokes, and smart home control. Completely hands-free. One standout feature is its ability to automate routines using built-in motion and temperature sensors, making everyday comfort more intuitive. The device also works beautifully with compatible Echo speakers for whole home audio or enhanced Fire TV entertainment. Another major advantage is the integrated Aero Mesh Wi-Fi extender, which improves wireless coverage and reduces frustrating dead zones. Privacy is thoughtfully addressed with multiple safeguards, including a dedicated microphone off button. Overall, the Echo combines smart assistance, entertainment, and home automation into one affordable and reliable device. Now our second product is Edifier R1280T powered bookshelf speakers. The Edifier R1280T delivers impressive audio performance with a balanced blend of style, convenience, and sound quality. Its studio-inspired tuning produces clean highs and rich mids thanks to the 13mm silk dome tweeter and 4-inch full-range driver, making music, movies, and gaming sessions feel immersive and natural. The dual AUX inputs are especially practical, allowing two devices to remain connected simultaneously without constant unplugging or switching. This makes it ideal for desktops, TVs, turntables, or mobile devices. The included remote control adds everyday convenience by letting users adjust volume from across the room, while the side panel bass and treble controls provide easy sound customization to match personal preferences. Its classic MDF wood cabinet with vinyl finish not only enhances durability, but also complements modern and traditional home decor beautifully. Overall, the Edifier R1280T offers excellent value for anyone seeking reliable bookshelf speakers with warm sound and versatile connectivity. Our third product is Sine Bluetooth bookshelf speakers. The Sine Bluetooth bookshelf speakers offers an excellent combination of wireless convenience, versatile connectivity, and immersive sound performance for modern home entertainment setups. Featuring Bluetooth 5.3 technology, these speakers pair quickly with smartphones, tablets, PCs, and Macs for stable wireless streaming without cable clutter. Sound quality is impressive for the size, with the 0.5-inch silk dome tweeter producing crisp highs while the 4-inch woofer delivers warm mids and punchy bass. The added sub-out connection is a major advantage, allowing users to connect any powered subwoofer for a richer home theater experience. Multiple wired inputs, including optical, coaxial, and RCA, make it easy to connect TVs, turntables, gaming consoles, and other devices simultaneously. The included remote control and onboard buttons simplify switching inputs and adjusting volume from anywhere in the room. Its compact design fits neatly into most spaces, while the built-in amplifier eliminates the need for extra audio equipment, making setup simple and beginner-friendly. Now number 4, Movasto Active Bookshelf Speakers 36 WRMS. The Movasto DS19 delivers impressive studio-style audio performance with a strong balance of clarity, bass depth, and modern connectivity. Equipped with dual 1-inch silk dome tweeters and 5-inch bass drivers, these speakers produce crisp vocals, detailed highs, and rich low-end frequencies that create an immersive listening experience for music, movies, and gaming. The finely tuned woofers provide noticeably deeper bass than typical compact soundbars. Bluetooth 5.4 ensures fast, stable wireless pairing with smartphones, tablets, PCs, and Macs while maintaining low latency, high-fidelity sound. USB digital audio support is especially useful for desktop setups, offering cleaner audio quality and reduced lag for gaming or streaming. Users can also fine-tune their experience with 10-level bass and treble adjustments for personalized sound control. The elegant wood finish adds both acoustic warmth and premium aesthetics, while the included remote and onboard knobs make operation simple. With versatile connectivity and strong audio performance, the Movasto DS19 is an excellent all-around bookshelf speaker system. And our last choice is Polk's signature Elite ES10 surround sound speakers. The Polk Signature Elite ES10 delivers an impressive cinematic audio experience in a compact, yet powerful design. Built with Polk's dynamically balanced acoustic array, precision crossovers, a 1-inch Terraline tweeter, and a 4-inch woofer. These speakers create exceptionally clear highs, detailed mids, and an immersive soundstage that enhances movies, music, and gaming alike. One of the standout features is Polk's patented PowerPort technology, which produces deeper, cleaner bass with reduced distortion. Explosions, sound effects, and low-frequency details feel more impactful without sounding muddy. The speakers also offer excellent compatibility with most amplifiers and AV receivers, including Dolby Atmos and DTS-X systems, making them a flexible choice for home theater enthusiasts. The modern design looks premium and blends beautifully with almost any decor. Their versatile placement options allow use as side, rear, or elevation speakers, whether mounted on walls or stands. Combined with other signature Elite components, the ES10 helps build a truly immersive surround sound system. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.